So we will move to the next question, question number 5. Yeah, so the question is mathematical expression. My M is not looking good. I'll just rewrite it. Mathematical expression. Yeah, so let us see what the solution is given. So definition of mathematical expression. A mathematical expression is the combination of mathematical symbols that result when numbers and variables are combined using operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponential, and other operations and functions. The various elements are defined below. So operations include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Variables are letters used to represent like x, y, z, okay? And a coefficient is a number that is multiplied by the variable. And uh, univariate expressions have one variable, okay, yeah. While multivariable, okay, yeah, multivariate ones have more than one variable. So it is 5xy square. A term is separated from other terms with either plus, minus, and plus or minus sign and consists of a coefficient and one or more variable. A single term may contain an expression in parentheses or other grouping symbols in case the grouped expression is a part of that term. Example, 3x square y over x plus y. Okay, a constant consists only of a number, no variable. Answer. So yeah, so let us say we have an expression x square plus y square plus, let's write 2x square plus 3y square plus 1. So just remember one thing, that this is an expression, not an equation. An expression we do not write equal to 0. If I write equal to 0, then this will be an equation. But as it is an expression only, so this will be not equal to anything. Yeah. So in this expression, here we have 2 and 3 as coefficient. Am I writing this correct? Yeah. And I'll just choose a different color. X and y, or x square and y square, are my variables, and this one is a constant. So one and as the yeah, so a mathematical expression is a combination of mathematical symbols. So yeah, it is a combination of variables. We have the variables, we have a constant term, then we have coefficient of variables. So remember that the where the whatever number is multiplied with the variable, or whatever number is written just next to the just next to the variable, that number is called the coefficient of that variable. So basically here I can write the coefficient of x is 2. Same way x square is 2, not x. And same way I can write coefficient of y square is 3. Now the number written alone, or a number which is not multiplied with any variable, is basically just a constant term. So in this we have constant as 1, and then the operation we have used. So here I have not mentioned, but this 2 is multiplied with x squared, 3 is multiplied with y square. So this I'll choose a different color. This x into multiplication, this plus sign, this what we say multiplication again this plus sign, these all are operations or operands also. So operation is just the process. So basically we are multiplying this 2 with x square. So operation is just the process. Operand is multiplication sign, or the in computer we write abstract, and here the operand is plus. We are doing the addition, and in the similar fashion, so yeah, here it is also stated that we have a univariate expression which has only one variable. We have a multivariate which has more than one. So this expression will belong to a multivariable because we have x square and y square. We have two variables in this equation, in this expression. Sorry, don't just pardon my mistake. And we have, again, I'll just give one more example. So yeah, this was the multivariate. I'll give an example for univariate. Let's say 7 plus 38 x power 4. Yeah, so this is a univariate. This is the example of a univariate expression. So again, 7 is my constant term, plus is the operand, or addition is the operation. So plus is the operand, and 38 is the coefficient, and the x power 4 is my variable. We also have one more thing also, like what is the degree of the expression. So polynomial expressions also have degrees also. So the highest order of the highest power of the, I'll just write this. So degree is basically highest power of the variable. So highest power of variable is 4 in my case. It is basically x power 4. So highest power is 4, and 4 is my degree. This is just for extra knowledge, like if someone asks the what is the degree of this expression, so you can just look at this and find the highest power of the variable, and it is going to be the degree of the expression. And again we can write any constant. Let's just go for one more example, the last example for this. Let's write 3x square y over x plus 2. So here 2 is my constant. It doesn't matter if it is in division or multiplication, but yeah, 2 is the constant term. Here if you cannot see, I can write this as 1 into. So don't think this as the coefficient of x in this case is 0. The coefficient of x, if suppose if the coefficient of x is 0, then it will be 0 into x, which will be 0. No, this is not true. The coefficient, if the x is written all alone by itself, then the coefficient of x is 1, because it is 1 into x. So never do this mistake, okay? And here we have 3x square. So again we have the degree of the polynomial, which is 2. This is a multivariate, and the coefficient 3 is my coefficient. 3 is again my coefficient, and we have x and y as variables. So the solution return a mathematical combination of mathematical symbols that result when numbers and variables are combined using operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication. Yeah, one more, I forgot one more thing. Here the division sign is also an operation or operand. Yeah, so it consists of exponential. Yeah, so this is solution is good. Correct. Solution. Great job. Solution is correct. Let me go to the sixth question.